Hey Dave.
How's it going, man?
You have just returned from...
Oh, I thought you'd take a picture. I'm sitting there having
a short ballroom hibernation period. Yeah? And you're back now?
I've returned, as you can see, to repair the systems that power UCT Ballroom. Well, shall we show the people a quick tour of the back end of the Ballroom website?
Okay, go.
This is our WordPress-powered Ballroom site that we made at the beginning of this year. Here's some of the site stats for our site. You see this lovely little bar graph showing all the wonderful people who visited it.
Yeah. What happened in May? That really,
a huge spike. Yeah. Let's check it out. One of our top pages is this article Catherine wrote called The Socky Evolution, because there's not much content on the internet about soaking.
Yeah.
So people always end up here, you know, checking out what we have to say about soaking.
Ja, yes, my lowest line. Ek is jou Superman. Jou hart is veilig hier by my. Ek is jou Superman. Ja, yes, my lowest line. Ek is jou Superman. Jou hart is veilig hier by my. Ek is jou Superman. Noem my wat jy wil selfs Superman.
We want to know from you, Madam President, what tips do you have for the beginners?
Come to classes, come to as many classes as you possibly come to. Dance with different people. Dance with seniors, dance with people at your own level. Try and pick up as much as you can and just enjoy it. Our seniors never say no, at least they aren't supposed to, so smack them if they do. But we're all really friendly people and we all want to dance with different people, so just be brave enough and come and ask us. Come and ask me, I won't say no, I never say no.
Okay.
Yeah, just be brave.
It's a really good story, Sal. Come on.
What's the story?
So, that's Bronwyn and that's Sal. And they are one of the UCT Ballroom couples. You are part of the society, so I have a right to interview you.
This interview is over. And Nate, how long have you been the official narrator of the Ballroom Society? And are you competing at the table? Our rubber hips.
This is my first evening.
Okay.
I was basically tryouts.
That's cool. You gotta bootstrap it. You gotta give it a go and see what happens.
Yeah. I gotta improve my interview questions.
I think you can bring some artistic flair to the filming that happens around here.
I think I should do that. Yeah, you know, that's a good idea.
Because everyone thinks you take photos of all sorts of things, and really you only take photos of landscapes.
I do not take photos of landscapes. Landscapes.
That is a lie you told me once.